Hello friends, today I am discussing about business economics, its nature, scope and objectives. Hi, I am Swaranjit Kaur. So I am discussing about business economics today with you all. So let's start about business economics. What is business economics? Business economics is a field in which applied economics use economic theories and quantitative methods to solve business problems, like to analyze business enterprise factors, structure of business organization, and different with the relationship of firm with labors and capital, product market. These all things are used for in business economics. So actually, what is economics? Economics is a study of allocation of resources, scarce resources. Scarce resources are allocated to make profit. So business economics is applied economics in which economic theories, quantitative techniques are used to operate business. So economic theories actually deals with what? In economics theory, there are many concepts about demand, about cost, pricing. There are different concepts so that can be used in business for increasing demand, for increasing price, for decreasing cost. So these concepts are used in business. And what is quantitative methods? Quantitative methods are actually to calculate cost, profit and many other factors in business. For that, quantitative methods are used. We can discuss about quantitative methods in later videos. So today we can discuss about business economics and nature, scope. So we can discuss about this. So now we can already discuss about business economics, what is it. Now we can discuss about nature, scope. Now we can discuss about nature of business economics. In nature of business economics, two terms come, normative and positive. We can discuss what is normative and positive. In normative means based on opinions, values. Scope is narrow. Normative means norms, rules. Have to follow rules. Past value conclusions. In past, what conclusions are used in business. In simple way, I can say that in normative, rules are made to establish specific objective of business. Rules established in normative. And another thing in positive. Now we can discuss in positive, so you can understand the difference between the both terms. Now I can discuss about positive term. In positive term is based on facts. Positive term is based on facts, and in this positive term, business understand environment to make decisions, not follow past opinions. Understand environment to establish decisions. This is you can understand the difference between normative and positive. Actually, in business economics, both are followed. How they are followed? In business economics, both terms are used, normative and positive. How? In normative, actually, business economics suggests to apply economic theories, methods, in business. But in positive, business economics suggests to understand environment to make decisions. So both are applied in business economics. So now we can understand the meaning difference between normative and positive. Now we can discuss about scope of business economics. Scope of business economics. So now we can discuss about scope of business economics. Scope, you all know that where business economics use, what is the scope, what is the future. So first thing is for analyzing demand. Analyze, forecast how much is the demand of the product. If because supply of product depends upon the demand of product. If the demand of product is high, the supply is also more. So first is demand. Next is production and cost analysis. What is the cost of product? That can be analyzed in business economics. Pricing. What price should be set of product? National income. Profit management. How to calculate profit, how to manage profit. Capital, raw material, resources, assets, liabilities, all are in this capital management. And last is business cycle. In these all are this is the scope of business economics. I can discuss about these all topics in later videos. So now I can discuss about objectives of business economics. So now we can discuss about objectives of business economics. Objective of business economics is not only profit making. There are more objectives of business economics. First, there are 5 main objectives of business economics. First, you see in the chart that economic objective, human objective, global objective, social objective, national objective. These are 5 objectives of business economics. So we can discuss these objectives in detail. So first we can discuss about economic objective of business economics. What comes under economic objective of business economics? First, like profit making. Making profit is the first objective of business. Next, customers. Creation of customers. Customers are necessary for making profit. So second is creating customers. Regular innovations, something new is also necessary for business. Innovations are also necessary for business. Use of resources, using resources best possible way is also objective of business economics. That things comes under economic objective. Profit making, customers may create करने, regular innovations, something new, uses of resources in best possible manner. That comes under economic objective of business economics. So now we can discuss about social objective of business economics. What comes under social objective of business? Like first things comes under social objectives: production of product, quality supply, quality of supply. Sorry, quality supply, not quality of supply, is necessary. Quality supply of goods. Whatever product you supply, its quality is good, necessary, and service. Quality depends more that we can make profit good. And next thing is adoption of fair trade practice. Adoption of fair Trade practice means to advertisement, to promote product. Trade practice, mainly business follow trade practice to promote products through advertisement. Means business have to follow fair trade practice, not unfair trade practice, to operate business. Fair trade practice should be followed to operate business. And next thing what comes under social objective is contribution to the welfare of society. Contribute welfare of society. It's necessary. How can business contribute? By making schools, colleges, public parks. This is for welfare of society. So this is what comes under social objective. So now we can discuss about human objective. What comes under human objective? Economic well-being. Economic well-being of whom? Employees. Employees situation is very necessary for business economics. If employees are happy, the business can run very well. Economic means it relates to money. And social and psychological satisfaction of employees. This objective is mainly related to employees that working in business. This objective is mainly to focus on employees of the business. Economic well-being of employees, social and psychological well-being, satisfaction of employees. This thing is necessary to run business. So this is also the main objective to be fulfilled in business economics. And one more thing comes under human objective is development of human resource. Human resource development is also very necessary. Well-being of economically and backward, socially and backward employees also necessary. Means human resources necessary to create in business economics. So next is national objective. So now we can discuss about what comes under national objective. Creation of employment. Nationally means nation based, what business have to done. Creation of employment. Creation of employment by opening job vacancies. We can say promotion of social justice. Promotion of social justice. These things comes under national objective, and more things also comes under national objective, like production according to national, means production according to national priority is also necessary. National priority according production is also necessary. These things comes under national objective. And one more thing comes under national objective is contribution to the revenue of company is also important. Contribution towards revenue of country by How it's possible? By paying taxes, we can contribute towards the revenue of country, self-sufficiency and export promotion. How can we can develop a nation? Business, actually, how business can develop a nation? By export promotion. Promote export. More things exported to foreign countries, the value of a nation increases. Export promotion. These objectives are to be fulfilled under national objective by business. And the last objective is global objective. So what comes under global objectives? Global objectives like reduce disparities how among nations. Reduce disparities among nations. How? By capital investment. In foreign shares, foreign companies, by investing capital, global objective can be fulfilled. And one more thing, how we can globally enhance business? By making valuable goods. Valuable goods which increase huge demand of product. If product is good, quality of product is good, that increases the demand. Demand increases, the global objective of business fulfilled. So these are the all objectives we can discuss of business. So today we discuss about business economics, nature, scope and objective. I hope you can understand. I can understand you in easy manner. If you have any doubts related to these, you can ask in comments. And please, if you like the video, so you can like my video, and also please subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt related to this, you can ask, you can comment in the comment section. So this is for today. I can discuss about demand analysis, in my next video. Please watch that video also. So thanks for today.